And I just believe that it's clear that children don't belong to the state, they belong to families.
Governor Glenn Youngkin answering questions Tuesday about what's become a controversial policy impacting transgender students in the Commonwealth. The new model says students will have to use bathrooms based on their sex assigned at birth, and students under 18 have to go by the name and pronouns in their official records unless a parent approves another. We asked Youngkin directly, what does he say to a student who is trans and not supported by their family, and school may have only been one of the few safe spaces for them?
I would say trust your parents. You know, at the moment where there are very difficult issues in families and challenging issues in families, families come together. And this is why parents, in fact, have a role in their children's lives.
But Delegate Danica Rome, who is the first ever openly transgender delegate in Virginia and the nation, says the governor doesn't have the authority to make this mandate.
There will be legal ramifications before the governor even has a chance to enforce these policies in schools. And the reason for that is that the governor does not have the authority to actually do what he's doing right now. The reality here is that the governor does not have the ability to usurp the authority of the Virginia General Assembly on this, according to HB 145 that we passed in 2020.
Rome adds the policy also conflicts with the Virginia Human Rights Act that was also amended in 2020. But Youngkin stood firm on his stance. We asked him, what does he say to young Virginians who are trying to find their voices at a young age?
We've got to focus our attention on teaching children how to, in fact, critically understand what's happening around there.
Thank you all very much. The governor's running late. Thank you so much. If the focus is education, why have the policy?
Well, the governor never answered my last question, but this guidance is up for a 30-day public comment period that will open later this month. Reporting in Leesburg, Megan Rivers, WUSA 9.